Refugee Quiz, pages 66 through 109, quiz number 3. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Choose the best answer for each question below. Number 1. Refugee looks at the stories of people forced to flee from home. True or false? Number 2. Why did Mahmoud's father dive back into the car when they were being shot at by soldiers? He was saving Mahmoud's little sister, he forgot his wallet, or he was retrieving an iPhone and charger from the car. Number 3. Who is the Führer? Fidel Castro, Adolf Hitler, or Assad? Number 4. Whose face was on the bottom of the boat that Isabel and her father were using to escape? A famous Cuban baseball player, a famous Cuban musician, or Fidel Castro? Number 5. Which of the following is not a way that Mahmoud and his family has traveled so far? Car, on foot, or a boat? Number 6. How did the crewmen below deck treat Joseph and the other children differently than the other workers? They were extremely nice to them. They gave them food and supplies, or they ridiculed them and called them names. Number 7. Which city in Florida are Isabel and her family trying to escape to? Tallahassee, Orlando, or Miami? Number 8. What is a clave? This is discussed in Isabel's storyline. A type of food that they have brought on the boat with them? A tool that the family brought with them to repair the boat? Or the hidden heartbeat of the people can be felt through music? Number 9. Mahmoud is trying to make it out of Syria and into the country of Turkey, Iraq, or Israel? And number 10. Mahmoud and his family meet a boy who shows them somewhere that they can stay for the night if they pay him 2,000 Syrian pounds. Mahmoud's father pays him and he takes them to a convenience store, a hotel, or a mall.